Hello, this is Enrique Warrior. We're at a beta review of the Linzy plush toys, which are very popular, bestseller on Amazon and eBay. They're very popular on Instagram and Facebook. They're good for gift giving for any occasion, whether it be birthdays, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, graduation, Christmas. They're good for boys and girls, all kids, even adults. They're very durable, very good quality, very good price. This birthday monkey sings when you press his belly. So anybody would like these. If you would be interested in one of these, follow the link in the description below the title.